Hello, my name is Sterling Hall. I'm with Sterling Hall Digital Marketing. I'm very excited about this opportunity because of it being contemporary, it being finding leads that are good quality leads, uh, doing it in a fashion that I can promptly respond and qualify the leads and sell. The experience of talking with Guillermo and also Asan has been very fruitful. We talk brass tacks. They let me ask questions. They provide me with reasonable answers. They listen to my inputs that they can integrate into what they do with the product and the service and how it may benefit other members. I like the fact that for each meeting that we've had, um, Guillermo has been prompt, made every meeting, and been quite responsive. So I think in terms of the openness of getting value out of the program and getting set up, the communication is open and it's there, and it's based on a lot of experience in this marketing space. Thank you.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, I appreciate that, Sterling Hall. I'm excited for you and cannot wait to get these real time leads going your way. I'm excited for you.